So, Jim, what's happening out there today?
Hey, Scott, it's doing good. We just got wrapped up with our first opening day of early goose season here in Colorado. We had a really successful morning. Me and a couple of my guys. I got one of my young guys just coming along, and he was out with us this morning, Billy Kanaskas. He's a Michigan State goose calling champion and duck calling champion. He works for us for this fall and this season. He was out with us this morning. We had a great shoot.
Wow. Now, where are you guys hunting at today? What area?
We were down at the southern going down around Brighton 470 down there. We had a little pond down there, and there was a few geese floating around the gravel pit, and ended up having a real good shoot.
Well, cool.
To think we slept in and didn't get out there today.
Exactly. Well, Jim, give us an overall of how the first, archery and muzzle loading and kind of reports, because, man, I'm telling you, all the guys I talked to, it's certainly pretty warm out in our whole state.
It really was a really hot September. We got a couple weeks there in the first part of the early archery that was colder weather, and those bulls turned on, and we had some really good success. And then, we got hot right when muzzleloader started up, and a lot of those bulls shoved up high above timberline, and a few of them shoved down low on a few private ranches. And some guys struggled finding them, and the elk were talking a lot at night. The guys that were successful that I know were sitting on water holes and sitting on cropland fields waiting for the elk to come off the hill in the evening, and they were getting a few, but it wasn't as hot as it normally is. I expect with this colder weather, that snow that hit the mountains the other day, to really turn this first rifle season, turn the elk season around and make it a banner one.
Right. What do you put on the emphasis of scouting? I had a guy ask me that this morning, actually. He said, man, when you're busy and you're going to go out to a public place to hunt, you don't really know the area. And he said, normally we just get out there and, do the best we can. But, man, scouting is really pretty crucial, isn't it?
It's one of the biggest keys to our success is we spend endless hours in the summertime putting up trail cameras, dialing the elk in, finding out what water holes they're using, what drainages and things like that. And, that goes hand in hand with our waterfowl scouting. We've been watching those geese for 3-4 weeks. We knew their habits and their patterns. We knew exactly where to set up on them, and it panned out this morning and worked just like we planned it, because we've been watching those birds the last 3 or 4 days. And, we've been watching this other field up here in Fort Collins for about 2 weeks now. We've been there every morning, and we're planning on going and setting up a hunt there in the morning and executing our plan.
That's great.
Hey, Jim, Greg Wombold here. Just wanted to say a few things. Obviously, I try to get together with you 2-3 times a year and goose hunt. Just keep a couple slots open for me.
Okay, I will, for sure. How are you?
Good to hear you.
You too. We got some slots available, that's for sure. We got early duck season opens. It opened this morning on the west side of I-25. I got some good reports of some numbers of some ducks that were shot on a couple different clubs. And there's a ton of ducks. We had more ducks actually coming in our decoy this morning than we did geese. And the regular duck season opens on October 11th. And if you're looking to take some kids out, somebody who's starting to hunt, learning how to waterfowl hunt, or a novice, if you want to begin to learn how to waterfowl hunt here in the state, I highly suggest you get on a guided waterfowl hunt in the next couple weeks, and then you learn some tips and tactics, and then you can carry that stuff you learned through the season.
Yeah, say, Jim, I want to go back to the elk hunting right quick
Sure.
for just a minute. Is the rut still on? Do you think?
The rut is on. Absolutely. Those elk are going crazy right now that all the seasons are closed. They're bugling nonstop. I have 2 buddies who live in Estes Park. They said the elk are absolutely going crazy. If you want to go and see a rutting elk, go up to Estes Park. But they're going to rut right through this first rifle, and it's going to make it. If you hear a bugle first rifle season, you better take your gun and pack your backpack and go after him, because he's going to be bugling most of the morning.
Well, it sounds like it's going to be some exciting times, and I'm telling you what, I hope your clients get lots of good shots.
I hope so too, Scott. It's going to be an exciting one. And if anyone wants to see how we're doing, we post our pictures on Facebook as soon as we get done with the hunt. We put it on there as fast as possible. We have our morning hunt is on Facebook now from this morning goose hunt we had down there in Brighton, and I try to keep up to date with everybody as quick as I can. And follow us on there. It's a great place to see how things are going.
Take a minute and tell us about your hunt club and how people can get involved in that.
Sure. Our duck hunting club is made up of several lease farms here in Weld County, and I got a great staff in the office. My beautiful wife, she takes care of all that over there with a couple other gals, and it's all internet based. You can reserve a duck blind or a goose pit. There's no sitting online. no calling in phone reservation, anything like that, and you can have a private spot to go hunt. I had a couple groups of guys from the club out this morning, and they had really good success as well.
All right, Jim. Well, man, hey, we really appreciate it. Again, thanks for your sponsorship. And as I mentioned to you yesterday, Red and I are looking forward to hooking up with you here pretty quick and go out and bust some things. Bust some ducks, geese,
absolutely.
whatever.
Yeah.
We'll get out here the next week. I'll get back from elk season, and we'll go duck hunting next week.
All right, man. That sounds great. I appreciate it.
Hey, no problem.
All right, that's Jim Arnold, Waterfowl Haven Outfitters and Waterfowl Haven Hunt Club. We got to take a break. We'll be back with more right after this. Do we have